In this question, we have to find the mod of the following distribution. As it is provided in the question, the given data is of group frequency, and in order to find modal class in a group frequency, we have to use this formula which is shown below. In this formula, L is the lower limit of the modal class, that is 30 here. H is the size of the class interval, or you can understand it using acronym height, which is 10. 40 minus 30. Frequency of the model class, that is 12 here. Frequency of the class preceding the model class, that is 7, and frequency of the class succeeding the model class, that is 5. When we put all these value in this formula, we obtain we will solve it further after putting the values, and we will obtain the mode of this model class, that is 30 to 40 will be equal to 34.17.